Hello viewers, I welcome you all for today's video session on Introduction to Problem Solving Techniques. So what is the meaning or application of iteration and recursion? Simple strategies for developing algorithms. Iterations, recursions. Iterations meaning a sequence of statements is executed until a specified condition is true is called iterations. We use for loop, while loop for um, making iterations. We will execute the same block of code with the base condition checking every time. Example, for start value to end value, do statement, end for, and for syntax while we have while condition, do statement, end while. So for printing n natural numbers, we will use the loop for I less than or equal to n, do print I is equal to I plus 1. So these statements will be executed until this condition gets false. So by doing so, we can able to repeatedly run the statements, yes, and print the n natural numbers. Likewise, we have for the while it begin at n and initialize I is equal to 1 while I is equal to or sorry less than or equal to n, do print I is equal to I plus 1, end while end. This is the third code. So this is the print flow chart. So we read the values and we have I is equal to 1. If I greater than n, go to step 7. Display value of I is equal to I plus 1. Go to step 3, stop. This is the algorithm. And for printing n numbers, we have the flow chart. Start, get n. And then I is equal to 1. If I greater than or equal to n, yes. Print I is equal to I plus 1. Again, it is connected to here, and then we have if no, stop. So next important one, recursions. A function that calls itself, it's known as recursion. Recursion is a process by which a function calls itself repeatedly until some specified condition has been satisfied. Algorithm for factorial of n numbers using recursion. Main function start get n, call factorial, print factorial, stop. Factorial of a positive integer number is the sum of a multiplication of all integers smaller than that positive integer. For example, factorial of 5 is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which equals to 120. Function factorial n, if n is equal to 1, then factorial is equal to 1, written fact. Else fact is equal to n into factorial n minus 1 and written factorial. So this is the flow chart. Start, get n, call factorial of n, print factorial, and then stop. Factorial of n is how to print those things. See, using loop, checking the condition if n is equal to 1. Yes, factorial is equal to 1. Return factorial. No, factorial is equal to n into factorial into n minus 1. This is a pseudocode for factorial using recursion. Begin, get to n, call factorial, print factorial, then end. Sub function factorial. If n is equal to 1, then factorial is equal to 1. Return factorial, else return factorial is equal to n into factorial into n minus 1. So this is the question asked, what is recursion and iteration? So calling the function again and again, function, that is recursion. So iteration, executing same set of code again and again. So I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you all.